So in this video, we are going to look at the the contribution and the variance functionalities of EasyReports. So let's start with the ranking function. So here, let's say I want to rank my parties, right? So I can select ranking on amount, and I want to rank in column largest to smallest. So I've got my ranking. I can sort by this column. So I've got my rank, right? And it would make more sense in case we've got two fields. So then within that field, I can select, what are the ranks. Now, like ranking, we've got contribution, so percentage of column. So either I can choose column or column grand total. Let's choose column. So here I have got the contributions. If you see, these three are contributing 100% to this particular item. And then this item is contributing 10% to my total. If I had chosen the grand total option, then all the contributions would have been with respect to the grand total values. Now, percentage row will work, exactly the same way, except that the contribution will be horizontally across the row. Then let's look at variation. So variation, let me have the month column here. Let me remove this. Now I've got, these different figures, right? And let's look at this item. So you've got, these monthly figures. So if we do percentage variation for the amount field, what I get is the growth or the degrowth rates. So 30,000 versus 20,000. So there's a 50% growth, and then 2,49,000. So there's a 733% growth. So these kind of things can be done. Absolute variation works in the same way, except that instead of the percentages, it'll just show you the absolute difference. Right. So from here to here, the difference is 10,000. From here to here, the difference is 2,19,000. So that's about the analysis functions for EasyReports pivots. Thank you.